Hey people of YouTube, Wayne Hackman here, aka Waxstar. And behind me is a beautiful old cottage. Not in its original location, but has been lovingly moved to a place called Kembu in Kenya. And it's particularly famous because of this person here. I don't know if you can see her, she's Beryl Markham. And Beryl Markham was, if you're an aviator, a very famous person that flew from the United Kingdom to the United States against the prevailing wind in a monoplane aircraft. And so I get to stay in this place over this weekend. I have a weekend off and I'm very much looking forward to staying in this beautiful restored cottage, which was the childhood home of Beryl Markham, writer, horse enthusiast and aviator. So let's go and have a look around. Andrew and Zoe Nightingale, the owners of Kembu campsite, moved this house from about 1,000 feet away from its original location. They tried to keep it as true to form, but add some mod cons so the visitor like you or me can enjoy a beautiful cottage in a beautiful location with lots of history. When you enter, you come into this sort of lounge, living room, dining area, kitchen, and then you go out onto a really beautiful veranda that has these amazing views across the Rift Valley. Kembu campsite is not far outside Nakuru and is a perfect place if you're on transit between Nairobi or Eldoret and you just want a weekend away or to break your stay up here in Kenya. This particular house boasts a helicopter pad, so if you have a helicopter and want to fly and stay, I'm sure you can arrange that with the owners. The house is true to form. As I said earlier, does have all the necessary things that you need to make your stay comfortable but in a period home. There are 2 bedrooms, 1 double room and 1 room that has 2 single beds. They also boast beautifully appointed ensuite bathrooms as well. If you choose to stay in this home, you can have both catering and self-catering options, but I would certainly recommend the catering options. Anyway, if you want to stay in a place with beautiful history in Kenya, this is certainly the place to come. Thank you for watching, and as always, please rate, subscribe and share, and I'll look forward to speaking to you in the next video.